Hello dear learners, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to facilitate you through few questions of quadratic equation. I think this may help to the learners of grade 9. Yes, the question is x plus 6 by x plus 7 minus x plus 1 by x plus 2 equals to 1 by 3x plus 1. So in this question, the given equation is not in the standard form. It is not in the standard form. So at first we have to change this in a standard form. So to change this standard form, we can just see in this equation there are two fractions in LHS of this equation. There are two rational fractions, x plus 6 by x plus 7 and x plus 1 by x plus 2. So just we can take LCM of these two rational fraction so that we can get quadratic equation from there. So let us take it LCM. And LCM of these two fraction will be x plus 6 and x plus 7. Both the terms will be x plus LCM x plus 7 and x plus 2. To both the terms will be LCM is because as they are different. Yes, as they are different. Now what we have to do after taking LCM, what we have to do, we have to divide this denominator. We have to divide this denominator by the denominator of first expression. This x plus 7 and that x plus 7 will be crossed out, and the remaining, that is quotient, x plus 2 is quotient, and we have to multiply the quotient with the numerator of the fraction. Numerator is x plus 6, so we have to multiply x plus 6 and x plus 2. So let us multiply x plus 6 and x plus 2 in the numerator. Okay, let me do one thing. X plus 6 and x plus 2 we have to multiply. X plus 2 we have to multiply. Yes. Now in RHS there is one fraction, only one fraction, so we no need to do anything over there. The fraction is 1 by 3x plus 1. Yes, 3x plus 1. 1 by 3x plus 1. Okay, so this is RHS. Now let's just simplify it further. Let's just simplify it. What we can do after this is we can just simplify. We have to divide the LCM by second term by the denominator of second term as well, and the denominator is x plus 2. This and x plus 2 will be cancel out. X plus 7 and x plus 1 we have to multiply. Minus, yes, minus is there. Minus x plus 1 and x plus 7. Yes. So now let us just simplify it here. What we can do after this is let's multiply it. X is square. Let's multiply it. X is square and plus 2x plus 6x plus 6x and plus 12 divided by in denominator also. Still we need to multiply the second term also, but at first I'm multiplying denominator. X is square and plus 2x plus 7x plus 7x plus 7 to the 14 plus 14 equals to in RHS there is 1 by 3x plus 1. So we are just writing that 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1. Yes. So now the second term is left to multiply. Minus, we have to keep bracket because that minus will change the sign. X into x, it will be x square, and x into 7 plus 7x plus 7x, x into 1 into x plus x, and 1 into 7, it will be plus 7. So just we multiply that second term, but we have to change the sign with that minus. So let's simplify it now. I'm just copying the things. Yes, we can just I'm just trying to change the sign of that variable by minus. It will be minus, and that also will be minus, and that x also will be minus 7. Yes, and we don't have to keep that bracket. Okay, now this x square and that x square will be cross out. Yes, this x square and that x square will be cross out, and 7x 2x, it will be 8x. 2x plus 6x, it would be 8x, and minus 7x minus x, it would be also 8x. So that 6x and 7x also, that will be also cross out. So remaining term we have to write. The remaining term is what is the remaining term? Let us write that remaining term after. Okay, we just have to okay, we have to remove that minus 7. Yes, minus x minus 7x square, that 12. Yes, we need that 6x, and this x square also gone, x square gone, x square gone, 6x, right, x also gone, that one minus is also gone. So okay, 12 minus 7, or what we can do after this, still okay, in that denominator we can write, 7x plus 2x equals to 9x. We can write 9x over there. Now let's multiply it, and 12 minus 7, it will be, let's write it 5. Now we can do cross multiplication. Yes, to change this in a standard form, we have to do any methods, any possible methods we must have to do, and we have to change it in standard form. So it would be x square plus x square plus 9x. Just I'm doing cross multiplication. Plus 9x and plus 14 equals to 5 into 3x equals to 15x. 15x and plus 5. Yes, plus 5. So now what we can write after this, we can just simplify them. X square 9x minus 15x, x square plus 9x minus 15x, it would be 6x minus 6x. Yes, and plus 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5, it would be 9. Plus 9 equals to 0. Yes. Now we can just factorize this quadratic equation, and yes, we can just factorize it. I'm just trying to factorize x square minus 3x plus 9 equals to 0. Or we can just take x common from here. We can just take x common from the very first two terms. X common, x minus 3. Yes, x minus 3, and minus 3 common, x minus 3 equals to 0. Yes, we can write this. Again, this x minus 2 and x minus, from this to x minus 2 you can take x minus 3 common. X minus 3 you can take common. Yes, x minus 3 common, and another x minus 3 is also there. X minus 3 equals to 0. So now using zero factor property, that is, if the product of x minus 3 and x minus 3 is equals to 0, it either x minus 3 or another x minus 3 should be 0. Either x minus 3 equals to 0. We don't have to do that either, because that both the terms are same, but also we are doing it. I'm doing it. X minus 3 equals to 0 equals to 0. Yes, or x is equals to, yes, 3. X is equals to 3. After solving that second term also, taking or, you can get the same value. Doing or, x minus 3 equals to 0, that in that case also you have to get therefore the roots of the given quadratic equation, the root of the given quadratic equation is, therefore the root of the given quadratic equation is 3. So this is the answer. Like this we just solved this type of quadratic equation. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.